Is your Android phone stuck in headphone mode, blocking sound through the speakers? This can disrupt calls, music, and notifications. In this video, we'll explore the causes and 10 practical solutions to fix it, including the most effective one. Part 1. Why am I stuck in headphone mode? Android. Debris, dust or lint blocks the jack. Water, moisture affects sensors. Glitch. Bugs cause headphone mode damage. Broken jack creates faulty connections. Apps, audio apps override settings. Part 2. How to fix headphone mode on Android in 9 ways. Way 1. Unplug the headphone again. Way 2. Clean headphone port or jack. Way 3. Try a different headphone. Way 4. Reinsert the battery. Way 5. Turn off Bluetooth. Way 6. Utilize the vacuum. Way 7. Enter recovery mode. Way 8. Soft reset your phone. Way 9. Hard reset the device. Part 3. How to fix Android phone stuck in headphone mode expertly. For fixing Android devices stuck in headphone mode, Android Repair is a top choice. This powerful tool resolves various system issues without requiring root access, restoring your phone to normal quickly. Step 1. Begin by launching the Android Repair software that you have installed on your computer and navigate to the System Repair tab located on the main interface. Step 2. Connect your phone to the computer using a USB cable and select Android Repair from the options on the left side. The software will display the various Android issues it is capable of resolving. Review the information provided and click on Start. Step 3. In the subsequent window, enter the details of your device and click Next. Manually input 00000 into the designated field and select Confirm to proceed. Please be aware that the system repair process may result in the loss of all data on your device. Step 4a. For devices with the Home button, turn off your phone, press Home, Power, and Volume down for 10 seconds. Release, press Volume up to enter download mode. 4b. For devices lacking a Home button, turn off your phone. Press the Bixby, Power, and Volume down buttons for approximately 10 seconds and then release them. Press the Volume up button to access download mode. Step 5. Once your device is in download mode, click Next to initiate the firmware download for your phone. After the download is complete, the tool will automatically begin to resolve the issue of your Android being stuck in headphone mode.